Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do a setup scan and we'll just get right to it. We're going to start out here on Bloomberg, where I don't really see anything of interest. The big take, Trump's 21 trillion investment boom is actually short trillions. All right, bro. So nothing really interesting here. We're going to have a look at SPY like we always do. SPY had that minor pullback before adjusting, so nothing really special there. So I expect the dollar to come down a little bit. Yep, and we saw that as well. The dollar index came down a little bit, but it is still within that pretty stable range. We've been trading at it for a while. However, the trend change we've seen with that move over from breakouts over to CRs are pretty much at I would say 50-50 or more CRs now than BOs. Probably 60-40. And if you remember, like 2 months back, it was a clean breakout market. Like 9 out of 10 trades were breakouts. So I don't know why this isn't marked. I don't know what happened here, but this was a breakout that triggered. I was in this one and it made me hit my monthly max. Keep that in mind too, by the way. I can't enter trades myself, by the way, because I have a monthly max of going up 10% a month. And if you've been following the trades I've been entering, or you've been following at all, you'll know I'm up 11.15%. A little bit more, like 11.17 or whatever, but who gives a shit. The USD knock here is a trade that was very promising. And now it looks less promising in the sort of way, in the sense of your potential entry and sell loss. I mean, it's still a valid setup as long as you can get the R. Yeah, so this not looking as great as when it first appeared, but it's still a valid setup. Yeah, you get into this one, for example, on the 12-hour. But honestly, I'm expecting it to break through at this point. As for this trade right here, a classic reversal has triggered on this one as well. It's 30 minutes till the candle closes, and we do have 2 indecision candles on the 1 day. So same stuff here. This one has very strong signals to it. You're with the trend on this one as well. So it looks like a pretty decent setup. Actually, I'll post this one in my Discord in case it triggers. Here we go. There you go. You're welcome. Oh yeah, I gotta add that. So, yeah. You can also enter on the 12-hour and try to get a better entry, but that has already triggered. I would just hop in right now. Yeah, you're good right now then. Might be a safer trade in a lot of ways because your TP won't be going so long. But if you're moving sell loss correct, it won't matter that much anyways, right? But this is an interesting trade. This is one I would have entered myself. A lot of people ask that. Would you have entered that yourself? Yeah, probably would. I mean, I don't know because I can't trade anymore, so my whole way of thinking changes, but probably, yeah. So I'll mark it as green. If something is a valid setup, I usually probably would. And now let's get to the setup scan. A lot of ranging here. A lot of ranging. Congesting. Nothing interesting. Double ones. This would be interesting. This would be a lower time frame potential entry or breakout. I'll mark this one right here. It's a potential. That's a nice breakout. Here, nice reversal, already triggered apparently, but didn't see it. So, fuck knows. Range isn't tradable. Too inflated. Way too inflated. Too much congestion. Too much consolidation. We're seeing that a lot today, by the way, in a lot of pairs. No fucking clue why. And I don't sit and think about why either. And one thing I definitely don't do. Definitely. I see a lot of guys in the Discord contemplate going full on Play-Doh when they lose a trade. Why do I have this? How can I make that go away? Full on Play-Doh when they lose a fucking trade. They're like, oh, why did I lose this trade? Something must have gone wrong. What is wrong? Blah, 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 blah. And I mean, I posted the back testing for the strat, for my strat when I trade. And I have like at least 12 years more experience than you. And my win rate is 83%. So I mean, 17% of the time I'm going to lose. Which means I'm going to lose all the time because I'm trading all the time. So I don't give a shit when I lose. If I lose a trade in a row, the whole fucking week goes red. The month goes red. 2 months go red. 3 months go red. I don't give a shit. That shit doesn't bother me one fucking way or another. That's just the way it is. And I see a lot of guys contemplating, like, why did I lose this one trade? Like, what the fuck? One trade? Who gives a shit? Nice breakout here. Oh, I see it. It's been breaking out and testing a lot lately. Is it ATL? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is such congested garbage. Like, what the fuck? Very interesting. Very interesting. So we got 3 potentials and 2 setups we're already in. Let's have a look. Let's discuss the potentials. Let me see what the fuck is up here. Yep. So on the ruble right here, it has already triggered on 12 hour. You can enter the ruble. And this is pretty clean trade. But you're counter trending on this one. I don't know what your CFT spread would be. So keep a short R, don't go above 1.5. Pretty simple. Something like that. We'll see how it develops though. I mean, I can mark it as a green. I don't know how many deviate off like Pepperstone, C Trader. Here we could see a potential classic reversal coming very soon. Nothing with the close of this candle though signifies it. It's just a strong candle going up, being rejected. So we'll see how the candle after that looks. There might be a potential trade. As for USD CAD, here we have a clear, very clear. Again, CR. Let me see. I think you're counter trending with this one. Let me see. Does it fit within the range though? Oh yes, it does. Shalom. There we go. So you can put a stop order in for that. You're going against the trend with this one, so keep that in mind. Move your sell loss. Don't be stupid with it. I'll mark this one as a potential entry as well. I'll screenshot this one and post it in Discord as well. This also looks like a solid trade, pretty solid trade. A lot of solid classics today. gonna do that mid-vid. And that's all I've got for now. So we got 4 open potential setups with stop orders in them. Placed one 12-hour entry with a stop order in it. Another 12-hour entry with a stop order in it. Another 12-hour entry, and they're all fucking except this one. So we got 3 12-hour entries and one day entry with all stop orders, all classic reversals. Seeing no breakout momentum right now. Quite the shift. I should have done the weekly recap because the trend has been going in this direction. Back to ranging markets instead of smashing out markets. But the thing about when it goes from a breakout market back to a ranging market is that all previous levels are broken. So it becomes harder to find new areas, right? Because you'll have a lot of ATH, ATL, and that kind of stuff. When you got a lot of ATH, ATL, breakthroughs, SR broken, non-conforming shit like this, what the fuck? You will have less ranges like these. Simple fucking ranges. Regardless, they're all profitable to trade. It doesn't fucking matter. You'll make money anyways. And that's all I've got for now. If you got any questions, please leave a comment on YouTube. Or I mean, you can hop in the Discord as well, but if you leave it a comment, it boosts my little algo, so maybe I can get 7 instead of 5 views, right? And I also always answer comments, but I mean, the Discord will also be linked in the description, and the Discord there's nothing for sale there. There are no courses, mentorships, affiliates, anything else. Nothing here is monetized. There are no ads, nothing. So I hope to see you there, and that's all I've got for now. Thank you. Bye bye.